y'all, it's about to snow, and I'm currently putting on so many clothes, so many layers of clothes. Y'all know, I tell y'all all the time, I gave all my clothes away. Now it's about to snow, and your girl gotta double up on clothes. Child. But anyway, I woke up today feeling free, feeling good. Oh my goodness, feeling amazing. Just trying to get dressed so I can go work for myself. I want to hurry up. This how you be getting dressed, rushing, we running late to go work for somebody else, make them rich. But now, I can do it for myself. Period. All right, let me do something to this head. I'm only gonna brush it back into a ponytail because I'm gonna put this on.
You want me to warm up these heat, baby?
No, baby, I don't be cold. You be cold. I'm gonna brush my hair and clean the ponytail. I was just telling them how I woke up feeling good, feeling great, feeling free.
As you should. As you should. And then never mind how we look, honey, because it's going out in the cold.
Yeah, I told them that it's cold. We gotta get some more clothes.
I wasn't prepared for snow weather. I came with winter clothes. Florida's winter clothes.
Yeah.
I was not ready.
Y'all, we're supposed to get 100% snow this weekend. Started today. Today is Friday, January 23rd. I emailed my supervisor late last night, and I was like, yeah, hey, I'm resigning. I haven't told, or I text my lead today, Kia. She's so sweet. She helped me out a lot when it came to that job. Everybody else will just have to see on TikTok, because your girl will be doing some short form content. My homegirl was like, did you put, no, she was like, put in your 2 weeks notice. And I'm like, is this thing on? Wait, because I don't think they give us a 2 weeks notice when they want to let us go. You feel me? My mental health comes first. And if anybody feels otherwise, then they don't care about me. I don't want to hear nobody talking about, oh, you quit the job with no backup plan. Oh, what you gonna do now? Don't worry about it. I have my own business. I'm a CEO of my own company. So I need to put some hair down because I look like a little boy. And yeah, we ain't doing that. Look like a little dyke. Y'all stay tuned for the journey, because now I have more free time to do what I need to do for myself. I can think. I'm not glued to a computer, a desk all day, a chair. And mind y'all, I made a video on TikTok not even 2 weeks ago. And I was like, we are leaving jobs in 2026. Baby, it's a month after my birthday, literally 30 days. And I was like, I can't do it. I can't. If I do work for someone else, I want to love and enjoy doing it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I woke up with a lot of ideas. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so it is currently just raining. It's 6:20 in the morning. So we're just getting some rain, as y'all can see. Later, it's gonna be 100% snow. So go on and get it out, because you don't like to use the bathroom in the snow. It's not cold either. It actually feels good out here. Yeah, I came to Kroger to get us some groceries. It's still raining, so it's supposed to snow in about 4 hours. Oh, child. I'm about to hit the Dollar Tree so I can get us some snacks. So we can have some snacks. All right, y'all. So they putting down, I don't know what this is, but I'm back home. I guess it's so we don't fall. Y'all know I'm from Florida. So what is this? All right, you guys, so this is my last time. Oh, girl. This is my last time I'm about to log in. I'm about to log in, say, deuces to a few people. Ooh, I think I should create some content while I do it. But yeah, deuces to a few people. I'm out. I get my pictures off of this. I don't need nobody with my pictures. And yeah, that's it. So I'm about to clock in. I had a great day. We were had a great day. I didn't get not one headache. Not one headache. So your mental health is important. These phones, it's mental work. You hear me? And I ain't up for it. Not saying I can't do it. I don't want to do it. I don't got time to be getting cursed out every day. Look at the snow. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. And it's snowing. It's so pretty.
See snow, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me some cable. Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till you get in front of her. It's cold out there. Come on, baby.
Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the kids playing in the snow.
Yeah.
Down there.
You can tell y'all from Florida.
Yes.
Good morning, sis.
Hey, y'all. Grand Rising.
Hey, I'm sorry. Come on, man. Stop touching everything.
Show TT Mommy.
That's it. Look at the snow, Titi Mommy. It's snowing.
Look how she looking. Look how she looking.
Yeah, it's snowing. You see that?
That is crazy, bro.
My baby calling. The family showing them the snow.
That is beautiful. Wow.
It's a lot.
Goodness, it is.
It's gonna be more than that.
It's gonna be more. It's just for last night. It's still snowing right now too.
Oh, wow.
Look at that car right there. Look at this one.
Wow.
We matching.
Babe, stop doing that.
Make sure my shoes ain't gonna make me fall now. Oh shit.
Babe, you gotta be careful. For real, you can bust your head. And then y'all not gonna take that.
They put a silver thing right there while it's ice on the floor.
I'm just telling you to be careful.
Yeah. What the hell you over there doing? Snowing. There's people out here driving and shit. Oh my.
Come on. Look, he don't even want to come. Come
You
on.
don't even go use the bathroom.
You got to go?
Yeah.
Go potty.
You gotta just cover the fucking door.
We do. It's still snowing too. It's cold. Look at my car. Thank you. Thank you. What you proud of? What I been doing, girl? What you see? What you saw?
How can you help me?
My
Well, I
face
can
so
let you
dry,
put
baby.
into protection, so they can't get to you. I did it to myself.
I know that's not true.
I'm cold.
She
Was
finna
Big
come
Smith.
in.
Okay.
Was it?
Look.
What are you doing here?
Y'all, we literally cannot get out. I cannot get out. Hold on. I wonder if I can go out this door. Oh. Oh my goodness. Come on. Trying to walk this dog. Look how high the snow is on the tires. Can't even see the sidewalk. It's so dang on high. This is the sidewalk, y'all. You can't even see it. All of this is grass. Well, was. It's so high. This is a freaking truck. Look at Cash little paws. But it is falling down. This is crazy. It's supposed to stop.
Huh? Where you at? Okay.
She put cake on his face.